set up a brand new filming area for myself. Look at this. It's not brand new, it's just different than what I had before. See? So cute. Loves it. We're gonna get to filming a get ready with me for the beach, and let's show you too. Okay, I finally figured out what I want to wear, so we're gonna start filming. But we're going with the white bathing suit and the skirt with some chocolate dust. That's the vibe. With some gold jewelry, maybe some accessories. I haven't worn these in a while. I'm gonna do that. Maybe this on the hands. Yep. I think because it has a little bit of blue, we're gonna do these cute little earrings. I got a Target instead of the ones that I originally mentioned. We've made it to the beach. Vámonos. You guys see my new little vlogging camera? Did you lock it, baby?
Oh my god, what's his face has that one? Cozy. Okay.
We've had this camera for like 300 years, honestly. Lalo's low-key a trendsetter, y'all. Yeah.
What, did I do These are my personal videographers. Just kidding.
We just finished our beach day and we're gonna go get Chick-fil-A now because that's what you do, right?
Yeah.
During a beach day. The beach was fucking crowded though.
Yeah.
For what it needed to be. We got in the water, I got splashed in the face a few times. My makeup's probably, oh, my makeup's not messed up. Wow. Dude, Manhattan Beach is so pretty since when? I mean, it's always been. Like, why does it look prettier today than usual?
Thank you. Thank you. Right back.
Got it. The
Oh,
fries
I
are
forgot to ask for
extra
extra
hot.
pickles.
The fries are extra hot.
You don't want them?
No.
I'll take them. You can lay them on.
I love Chick-fil-A.
Thank you guys.
Of course.
You're welcome. Oh, that fry is hot. Why would I put it on my lap? You might ask. Who knows?
You caught me.
My go-to
So my
order
bun- my
is a
bun is
spicy
like-
deluxe. No, spicy chicken sandwich.
Yeah, regular spicy chicken sandwich.
Not deluxe.
No. We got this new honey roasted barbecue.
Well, I haven't had Chick-fil-A sauce in so long, and it's so good.
Never tasted this.
I
Let's
love
see.
it.
Let's try it with the fry.
I was wondering if you were ask. Oh,
Ask questions.
yeah, but I don't.
Huh?
I was saying how people ask us questions, but I
What?
Try this.
What?
What yes?
It's not the same shit
Okay.
as fry.
Oh, you're putting it specifically on my finger?
Yeah,
That's
you gotta
interesting.
taste it. That's why. It's literally
It's honey mustard.
Chick-fil-A sauce. Now taste the Chick-fil-A sauce. You didn't touch it.
It's the same thing.
It tastes exactly the same.
Ew.
What? You
fast
love
forward.
saying ew, bro. You irk me.
I should do fast forward. 2 weeks later? Or was it a week later? ate that.
Did you feel good, man? Yeah, I won.
I'm talking.
You're real quiet over here.
No, I said ew because that made me laugh and my food almost came out my mouth.
Oh!
That's why I said ew.
Bro, Nana, stay saying ill to me.
Girl, not everything is about you.
Well, you always say ill to me only. You never say nothing ill to Lalo's fucking ugly toes. What the fuck?
Because he don't be spreading them like, huh, yeah. Like, bro.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, that sounds hot.
Your chicken sandwich is hot, Nana.
Nice rice.
You should bussin'.
I have to shake it. Because it's really sour.
I literally cannot. She went, stir,
I'm not
puts
one
the straw
to
down.
talk about it.
Y'all are gonna be in the vlog. I vlog. My little helpers, they slay so hard. Look at them. I don't even have to move a nail because I have very expensive, nice nails that I can't. Don't worry, they will be paid for their service.
What are you doing?
She's unloading it.
But we had to set this up first.
No, because I have to go for the next round.
I didn't hear that.
I literally did not even finish getting ready this morning. We stopped at McDonald's to get the girls some breakfast. And we're here bright and early. It's like 7:30. This is... Hopefully it stays overcast because I can't be bothered with the heat. But if I am, I brought like a nice little fluffy skirt specifically to not overheat. This whole trunk has to come with me. I mean, this whole back seat has to come with me. Let's see. She is locked and loaded and ready to go. No, they're really easy to build. I really hope I brought my tape, but if not, there's a Staples right there. So like, we're gonna put this up somewhere. We've made some progress. Yeah, the girly pups are slaying the setup. Like, I'm sorry, color coordinated. I think you need to do color coordination. No, but this one, that doesn't really work. This is our $30 rack. Show them our $15 rack, Nat. 15. And then we're still setting up the table with all the nicer shoes and stuff. Put it in. My nieces are very intelligent, but sometimes it's the common things that...
I've lost a couple of brain cells since I've been in school.
15.
I blame my summer break, but I'm not doing summer break. Sorry.
There's like a lot of stuff with brand new with tags and like shoes.
Yeah, because they have their own section. There's a little wall.
Put it on this side where nobody can see it. I mean, at the end where people have to look. Yeah, put it there too. But yeah, we're about to be done setting up, so that's good. This little administrative assistant that I have today is talking back to me too much. We're gonna have to return her home. You're not giving me positive criticism, nothing. Girl, you have to go down through here. Driving a trailer. And you're gonna go off the ramp. Good job. Good job, Nanush. You're hired for every single event that I ever do. You still nothing? How's it going? Bien? After that, we're done, eh?
Actually,
All the vendors are setting up already. so thankful for money. So even though I get irritated, even though I get irritated with it, I love you so much. Thank you, man.
We've been up since 6 in the morning, guys. She scared the crap out of me.
Look at how amazing it looks. Dia would wear that. I'm gonna tell her to come look over here.
Look, girl, we're gonna have you review this footage.
Yeah, take it. Yeah, okay, come on, let's go now. Wow, she would for sure wear that. Look at this cute little setup. Yeah, we found some things that you would think you like. It's like a little flowy dress vibe.
They have this, like, bag.
I finished my makeup earlier and I feel more like myself. I let my hair down. I also put on my brand new Carolina Herrera blush. Good girl blush. It smells so good. So good. The girls just went to walk around again. I think they want to do some shopping. And then I'm just here, chilling. We're waiting for people to start showing up. So it's so exciting. Let me show you guys a little tour real quick. So we have shoes down here. Purses over there. And then these are like the nicer shoes that I'm selling that are like very gently used. Some of these are like brand new. Like this one's brand new. This one's brand new. This one's also brand new. Honestly, all my shoes are pretty well kept. And then we have like a $5 bin here. Mark, $5. And then we have all of this here, which is the $15 rack. And then we have the $30 rack, which is like all my nicer stuff that I'm just trying to get rid of. So, of course, I had to buy myself something. This is straight from El Salvador. This is the vendor. Artisan Hands on Instagram. That's their at. Super cute for like the beach, the park. It goes with my outfit, huh? Like show them.
Very much beachy color vibe.
Yes.
And I got this ring too.
Got this ring. So cute. I love the little gem it has. Yeah. We got some food. And then it's a big nacho, right? Okay, good. Slay. You guys don't want a Lisa taco? No? The asada fries are enough?
And then I got napkins.
Thank you.
I know.
Slay. I didn't know you guys were gonna come. You know, the girls and I were literally just talking. We were kind of sad because a lot of people have like their dad and their mom helping them, and I was like, well, I don't have nobody. I have you guys.
I don't care, I'm not shy like that. Hi vlog, we're back. We are gonna go on Starbucks run. It's barely 1:28. Can y'all see that? It's barely 1:28. We have to leave here at 5 p.m. We've been up since 6 in the morning. But we are now on our way. Ah, fuck my finger. But I think we're gonna find parking because people are okay leaving. So hopefully we find our parking. Hopefully nobody takes it because we... Oh, it's hot in the car. Oh, they left the McDonald's. Yeah, let it air out. But yeah, look at the event from outside. That's the event from outside.
Strawberry acai with lemonade.
Got her cup of ice secured. Now we wait for our drinks.
Alright, Starbucks is here.
Alright, let's go. Off back to the AC. Okay guys, we're walking back to the... Look, I'd be such a great vlogger. Thea would have forgotten about her vlog already, and I'm still going. I kind of have to take a dookie.
What?
I don't want to take a dookie in there because, like, I want to take my time, you know?
I did.
Yeah, but you didn't take your time.
No, but I was like, there was kind of like people when I got out, but like, I did have to cut it short though.
What the fuck?
Yeah. But not the point.
Anyways, we're walking back already, and then I'll start recording when we're back with Thea.
It has been an exhaustingly hot day. We did not... Are you stupid? We did not sell much. We didn't make that much. We didn't get rid of that much, which is unfortunate, but it happens. It happens. Definitely still enjoyed hanging out today. We literally all just kept eating and eating and eating. But we're packing up
slowly but surely we're packing up to go because it's time for me to go hang out with my dog. Those can stay out. Oh, I guess yeah, take them. But yeah, the girls are gonna go load up round 1 of the car, and I'm gonna wait for them right here. You know, but if people wanna buy. I've got home, I've changed, I've showered, unloaded, all the things. This is my outfit. We're gonna probably take the doggy to the park. The jumpsuits from Amazon, and then my Adidas sneakers.